Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and this is an LED compact. You might be wondering, why is Ryan doing a review on an LED compact? He doesn't look like he wears makeup. It's not about me. It's about trying to provide value to you who are making a decision possibly about this. So now this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give a detailed overview of our LED compact and what it all does? Of course, I said yes, but no way whatsoever will affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. Now, whether you use the old compact for makeup or whatever it is, whatever it may be, I want to give you a full-blown explanation as far as this one. Now, this company right here sent this, and let me start off with some measurements because depending on how you're going to carry this, this is right at about 3 3/4 inches by 3 3/4 inches, and it's only about a half an inch, 3/4 inch thick, you know. So if you're looking for a compact and that fits the size you need, then congratulations, this checks that box. It has LEDs here, LEDs here. Now it has this like kind of, and barely can see it, but there's a button right here. So when you press that, it turns it off. You press it one more time, it turns one on. You press it again, it turns the other one on, or you can have all of it on. You know, so if you're out at night or you need a close-up of, I would assume, looking at something on your old melon, that's what this is for. One side gives you a 10x magnification, so this is zooming in 10 times. And then the other one is just your regular old standard mirror. Pretty cool, very nice quality. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything like that. It's, you know, I'm not a big person that's ever used compacts, but if they're supposed to be flimsy or what, this is not like that. It holds up nice and straight, just like you like it. You might be wondering, well, how do you get this thing charged? Is there a battery? Do you have to replace a battery? Well, the answer is no. There's a built-in rechargeable battery. You are provided with a USB to USB-C cord, pretty simple to use. It plugs in there. You plug this into, it doesn't come with a power brick, but you plug this into whatever you normally plug these into to get power to this, and then it charges. You might have also noticed when I close this up, the lights turned off, so you don't have to worry about it draining the battery and anything crazy like that. Hopefully this answered any questions you might have about this. Actually pretty cool. Pretty cool. I actually had to ask the wifey about this and say, hey, is this like legit? She's like, yeah. She's like, but you do a better review than I do, so do your thing. Hope this answered any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.